Hey guys, this is Jack and welcome to another video. This video is actually a review of AirDisplay for the iPad. And AirDisplay, it basically gives you an external monitor over Wi-Fi, and it uses the iPad screen as the external monitor. And it's really great, and I've heard great reports, great reviews about it, all positive. And some of them have even been bashing iDisplay, which I also have bought, but I just never did a review because I thought it was just too. It was not, the quality was not up to my usual standard of videos, and it was horrible. So let's get started with AirDisplay on the iPad. So I'm gonna go ahead and oops, oops. All right. AirDisplay for the iPad, and it gives you this little instructions on how to downloading the companion software for your computer. It only supports up to Mac OS 10, 10.6 Snow Leopard as of now, and Windows support is coming soon, and they will be releasing a software update for Leopard compatibility. And I'll get to the great job. All right, I don't know if you can see this, but the software installer just informed me I'm done with install, so I'm gonna go ahead and restart my Macintosh, my MacBook Pro, and I'm gonna zoom out for and this is I'm gonna set it up as. So just bear with me for a bit. All right, so while my MacBook Pro is booting up, which would be a few seconds, but anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you some of the uses I've thought out. Thought this application might be useful for. For example, if you want to watch Flash video, granted it's not fast moving because if it's faster than iDisplay. I've heard a lot of reports, but I'm not sure how fast it is exactly, and if you can play motion graphics on it. It's definitely fast enough for like IMing or web browsing and that kind of stuff, but I'm not sure how fast it is in terms of if you're watching videos. So maybe you can watch Hulu or watch online video from Mega Video or something like that in a web browser inside the iPad using this application. Or you can just be having a portable web browser, and if you have a web browser like the Safari, you can use Safari on this, and you can bring it upstairs and your Macintosh is downstairs because it works over Wi-Fi. It works pretty much anywhere you have Wi-Fi reception in your house, which is anywhere. Maybe you don't want to use the iPad one. Maybe you want to play some Flash videos. That's also another option. So again, AirDisplay, it basically gives you the power of your laptop, like Flash for playing Flash, but it gives you the portability of an iPad. So it's actually a pretty useful thing. Maybe if you want to put palettes or menu bars or whatever onto the iPad, for example in Photoshop or iWork or Office, it's also a good option. So I'm going to type in my password, and we're going to see if we can get right going with this awesome application. I'm not sure my head's blocking the way, but yeah. So this is my desktop. It's booted up. It's all ready to go, and it's still loading the desktop. Alright, so we have this little icon. Let me zoom in on that one. I'm not sure if I can zoom in that much, but yeah, I can't really zoom in that much on a flip. But it's up here. It's right there next to my Spaces indicator and also my Dropbox icon. Right here, I'm going to turn AirDisplay on, and I'm not sure if my head's blocking the way again. And I'm going to select my Jack's iPad, and I'm going to, okay, my whole desktop is changing, and I'm going to select Open AirDisplay Preferences to kind of more configure it a little bit more. Oops, let's zoom in a little bit here. So these are preferences, and I'm going to, alright, so I'm going to click Auto Check for updates. Okay, updates, and I'm going to turn it on, off. It's actually a very elegant system preference pane, by the way. The iDisplay one was terrible in design, in the UI elements, the way it was. It actually looks like Time Machine's system preference pane with the on-off switch. So I'm going to show all, and I'm going to exit out of that. Actually, I'm going to displays, and that kind of configure it a little bit more. So this is actually an add-on on my left side. So it's an add-on on my left side. I'm just going to exit out of that and say open let's see, Safari. Let's open Safari. Let's just drag a Safari window. So, okay. Oh, actually, Safari's configured to run on my. Actually, the last time I used Safari was on my external display, which is unplugged. So I can have actually 3 display configuration, 3 monitor setup here with the iPad as the third monitor, and my Samsung, which is off right now, as my second monitor. So again, I can browse here. I can I don't know if I can scroll. I can't scroll, so I'm gonna have to use I can use this to go on a scroll bar. I can tap on this and nope, and the keyword doesn't pop up. Nope, I can click on some stuff like YouTube, and it works. Let me zoom in on that. Okay, let's see here. It's not really good resolution on the flip. And yeah, I can scroll. It's pretty fast, actually, very speedy. Compared to iDisplay, this is light years faster. It's not laggy and it's not super slow. The refresh rate is actually pretty fast, and yeah, it's pretty good. So let's go to one more website for Yahoo for just for kicks. I'm gonna scroll on that too, and yeah, I'm gonna see how fast dragging application is. So mouse is actually very fast. I'm not sure you can see that, but the way it feels is actually very close to native speed. It's a little bit slower, but that's okay. And compared to iDisplay, it's light years faster. I can drag my display out. Yeah, it is a little bit slow, and it shows its weakness here. But overall, it's pretty nice. Yeah, it's a little bit slow when dragging stuff around, but using it for stationary windows is pretty good. Just using it for so stationary windows. Yeah, it's actually pretty cool, and that's my review and / demo of AirDisplay. And I'm gonna have a comparison video to iDisplay in a few days, so stay tuned for that. I hope you guys enjoyed my demo video, and if you want to download software, let's see, where is the software? The software is going to be at avatron.com/app/AirDisplay. Just go to the website Avatron, AVATRON.com, and you'll find the website, which looks like this, and click on the AirDisplay option. Thanks guys for watching this video. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and follow me on Twitter. I am twitter.com/beautifulcode. Thanks guys for watching this awesome video of this awesome application, AirDisplay. It's gonna be it's gonna make my iPad a little bit more useful. It's already very useful. And it's gonna make it even better. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's $10, $9.99 on the App Store, and that's it. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Actually. Hey guys, I know I should be using a tripod for this, but you can get a feel of how fast scrolling is. I'll just tap on this little, and as you can see, scrolling is relatively fast, and scrolling back up. Just sometimes when you're moving, I'm at the mouse right now. When you're moving this, you see some sort of little bit of a video artifact, but that's okay. So it happens when you're moving really fast, a little bit slow. Yeah, but overall, it's manageable, and scrolling is actually pretty easy. My fingers can get the spot I wanted to right on, and as you can see, I'm scrolling through my Twitter feed relatively fast. It's not lagging behind that much, and that's what I like about it. So that's just a little tidbit that I want to share with you.